here is how to assemble the video game box. So first you're going to want to cut all of your pieces out. I do use a shiny gloss photo paper sticker, and then I put it onto a chipboard. Both of them I get on Amazon. It just makes it a little bit more sturdier, so it's a little bit not flimsy or anything, and it looks nice. So first things we're going to do is set these over here. There's going to be our backing piece to make it open. We are going to use regular glue stick to glue this plastic on. This seems to work better than the hot glue, or at least hold better than the hot glue. And then just set it aside for right now. So we're going to go ahead and start on the bottom first. Glue your strip of glue. Make sure you put your design facing up, and then line it up. We're going to go ahead and do the other side. Make sure your design is facing upwards. Just line it up again. Just double checking, and we're going to go ahead and put this one up. And for this one, you just have to line up one side. You can worry about the other side after one side is lined up. So you're going to line this side up. Let the glue set for a second. And then you can just push this corner together. Hold it in place. And then your glue. You just run a tiny dot for now, just to hold it. And then when you set it down, you can get the corners so you don't burn yourself. Flip it over, make sure all the corners have been glued together and everything looks even. Okay, now that we got that all ready, after the glue dries, this just comes right off, as long as you don't mess with it while it's still sticky. Okay, So we're going to put this side up, and then we're going to take our box and we are going to line this up. And then hold it down and just glue it into place. I'm going to let it sit for a second, and then I'm going to finish the other side. Around. And do the same thing. Hold it down for a second so it can finish setting in place. So this is what we got so far. Now we're going to take our top piece and we are going to take this. You can use sticker. I use vinyl, but you can use stickers, tape, whatever you have long that will stick good. And this will make it go up and down, so you can open it. So you're going to stick it down along this line first. That way it doesn't show through. And then we are going to line it up. And then push the tape down so you get a strong hold in the dish box. Now you can fill it up with all of the goodies, candy, Easter treats, anything you want to. Take this off and refix it. I think I put it down too far. There we go. Now it opens and closes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.